Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video. I have with me the lovely, the wonderful Miss Keisha Adinkra.
Thanks everyone.
We are here in Philadelphia for Roots Festival for the weekend.
Yes.
So we think since, we've been on each other's channel many a times.
Right.
And we can go on vacations a lot together. So now we're going to film a Get Ready With Me as we get ready for the Roots picnic. Get ready with us. See, I see you. Sorry. Wait, did I say Roots Picnic or Roots Festival?
Roots Picnic.
Okay, so it's Roots Picnic, not Roots Festival.
But it's kind of a music festival.
It is really dope. So we're gonna just film, get ready to go to the picnic.
I keep looking at the view.
Right in front of us is a huge mirror with an awesome view, and it's very distracting to not look at it. But we're gonna focus on.
Yeah. We got y'all.
Gotcha.
So disclaimer, or is it disclaimer? Either way, like I'm very simple, so this is not going to be like full-on glam makeup. This is I'm very simple with makeup.
Simple but beautiful.
Thank you.
I am simple most of the time in my everyday life. For the YouTube, I'm extra. So
She's a little extra.
Let's
She's a little
just
extra
see.
in regular life too. So.
I am what we come up with. And the weird thing is that we do have a lot of same products that we're using, which is, well, we buy the same things anyway, so.
Yeah.
You started on foundation? What are you doing?
No, I was just getting it, shake.
What's up?
Ooh, time to re-up.
I know, I gotta clean my rim.
Mine's almost empty.
This is what, the Natural Anti-Essentials face gel?
Love this stuff. Love.
So, wait, is this your first time in Philly?
Yep.
Me too. Never been here. We are in, is it West Philly? No, that's West Philly.
No,
where
it's
are we?
not West. I think this is more like downtown Philly.
Oh.
Fairmont Park area.
Okay. So if you're from Philly and you're watching, hey. So far your city is really nice, really cute. We went to a Target this morning. To our surprise, it was a mini Target.
It's so small.
Never seen that.
This is like a residential kind of area.
I guess.
So I can see why they would just have like little small
Mini Targets.
Yeah.
But regardless, we still got something. I picked up this headband right here, which is really cute.
I forgot that you got that this morning.
I just got it, so it came in handy for the video. And I picked up a bag, a little crossbody clutch situation. Nice bright colors, just in time for spring. Well, we just started getting into the makeup and talking, and we didn't even really introduce Keisha. I know most of you guys know her already, but some of you guys that don't. Go ahead, Keisha, talk more about yourself, more about your channel, because she does have a channel in case you guys didn't know. And
now you know.
Both our channels evolve with the things that we're interested in.
Yeah, definitely.
So now we have a lot of plant videos, especially her. This is the plant guru that helps me out right here. She's the one that helped me.
I know a little something. What?
You helped me grow my entire plant collection.
But your plants look great.
Because of you.
So far.
So far. I came from the days of killing pothos. The days of
I still can't believe you killed it.
Killing air plants. Killing sansevierias. I came a very long way, y'all. So go ahead, Keisha, talk more about your channel. Tell us.
So as you already know, I'm Keisha Adinkra. Will you link my channel in your bio, in your description? Thanks. So the channel will be linked down below.
Linked in in all my description box, the most recent ones.
So I used to make lots of videos on clean beauty, organic, natural beauty products, but now I mainly focus on plant life, plant care tips, all that good stuff, plant hauls, all kind. If you like plants, head over there and check it out. I will still do like a beauty review here and there, but I don't really do like makeup looks.
Looks.
It's a look.
It's a look.
I don't do looks over there.
The looks.
Because my look is the same every day. So.
Look. I have declined on doing a lot of makeup looks also. I will just review new products that come out mostly. So
yeah, I think I'll do that. Especially skincare.
You start with brows first?
I'm starting with brows first because I like to do them on when my face is still clean. Okay. When I use this, I'm using not a really clean.
Look,
it's look. Chill, it's decent. But this is Glossier Boy Brow. It works for me.
I'm going to start with foundation now. Because take
What
longer
were you
than
just doing though?
I put on corrector, color corrector from Plain Jane Beauty under my eyes a little. And this is the Laws of Nature Foxy Finish Mineral Cream Foundation. The shade I wear is Chestnut Silver Ride or Die Foundation. Now, you guys.
Our Ride or Die.
Okay, our Ride or Die, because she has it as well. This is mine. But you have two.
I'm actually going to use this one as my concealer.
Oh, okay. Fancy. Did you put pinky up? Fancy. So, I'm going to test out something new for the first time. I always apply this with a brush. Keisha put me on and said, no.
Yes.
According to
Jasmine,
which is the owner of the company, hey Jasmine, if you're watching this, it's best to apply it with your fingertips.
Thank you for that tip.
I've never done it. She swears by it. Wish me luck. My fingers are clean. So I just put it straight to my face or my hand or...
However you want to do it. I do a pump like on this side of my hand. And dip in it.
All right. One pump. And just rub it in like lotion.
Do dots. Do one side at a time because you know it dries down pretty quick.
Feels like I'm putting on like, I don't know, cream or something.
A moisturizer.
I don't know. It does.
Well, just do that side. If you don't like it, then you can go back to your brush.
No, it just feels like I'm doing something wrong. It looks good on the skin though. It just feels, I guess because I'm just used to doing something.
Yeah. It felt a little weird at first.
But I feel like I want to rub it up like this and just.
Please don't do that.
That's what it feels like I want to do. I don't know.
You don't like it?
I feel like it's just my comfort zone.
Okay.
You look, I was just buffered it. I might try it again next time, but I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like I did something wrong.
Fair enough. You gave it a try.
So, what are you excited about seeing today? Which performances are you most excited about?
Most excited, definitely Ari Lennox. Love her. And her.
These are the two that I'm excited to see as well. And I want to hear the Joe Button podcast.
Yes, I'm excited to see them. They're hilarious. They keep me laughing. Already.
No, I have a lot more to go. So Keisha and I are filming a video, and we need you guys to ask us some questions. Whatever you guys want to ask us. And if we have time, because we're doing it right now, we will answer those questions in the video. So if you see this in time, please ask us some questions we can put in the video.
Answers. Questions.
Oh yeah, I forgot I'm doing eyeshadow. So why did I put on a concealer? Okay, I'm gonna do a basic quick look.
You can do still do an eyeshadow. Just do
real quick.
I hate the word basic when it comes to describing people.
That is.
I don't know.
I said the look.
The look is basic.
She, me, her, we ain't basic.
Yeah, like I don't like that.
Definitely not. But the look would not be as complicated. Yeah. But then this is gonna be really dry by the time. Okay, so let's see if I can do a quick eyeshadow look. In the meantime, let's talk about this plant stuff because that's our new high now.
Love those plants.
What is? Oh, by the way, I got a plant gift. Do you want to show it? Keisha brought me a plant. My baby. She's been
opening finally.
Finally. It's been a few months, but it's my plant gift from her. And her plant stuff are in the car. Let's hope they're still hanging on tight.
Oh, wow. Do y'all see this?
I'll show you guys when I got her later, but her stuff is in the car. They'll be alright. They'll be okay. They will be okay.
Probably wilted and dead.
No, it's not. Stop it. They're good. Alright, what is your most troublesome plant? The plant that just drives you crazy in your house? Wait, first of all, about how many plants do you have, roughly?
Roughly? I would say about 170 right now.
Really?
Yeah.
That was a big jump.
Yeah.
I have roughly about 60, I want to say. About 60. So you have double, like 100 more than me, basically.
Yeah.
Alright, is there a plant that, if it dies, basically the meaning of life is just done? Like, this is the holy grail plant. This is the plant where it just brings you the most joy. And if this plant dies...
Good question, because I was thinking about that the other day. For some strange reason, I was like, ooh, if a fire breaks out, which one of these plants am I for sure going to try to get up out of here? And it was my propagated monstera.
Why did you say propagate? What happened to the regular one?
Well, the regular ones are fine,
Mm-hmm.
but I had propagated this one last August. And I didn't even realize I did it, but I propagated it on my dad's birthday. So it was like it was born on his birthday or whatever. And the leaves on it are the biggest. Like the leaves on it are bigger than my hand. I have big hands.
So that'll be it.
Yeah. And it grows really good. It's grown like what, 4 new leaves since being propagated. It looks really good.
Okay.
So yeah. His name is Sammy, and if I have to save one plant, saving him.
If I had to save one plant, who would it be? Oh Lord. I don't know. I think either my the UFO plant.
Oh yeah, yours does look really good. The
Pilea, Peppermoides.
Mm-hmm.
That one, or even my bird of paradise, because those two just. The bird of paradise, just looking at it, it's just a beast.
Yeah, okay.
It is just a beast.
It's a beautiful plant, but like, so you're not saving anything because of some type of sentimental, like, I did this. You're just saving the plants that. Okay.
Those two. Now, how am I gonna get the bird of paradise out of my house? I don't know, because it's a big one. But
it is a big one.
I'll figure it out. Last time we were on vacation together was Miami. No,
last time we was the girlfriends
glow up, which they're having another one again this year, you guys. So we went to a girlfriend's glow up retreat, which was in the mountains of West Virginia.
I think you can link it. You can link the
information sounds with that, and I'll show you guys the flyer. Basically, girls get together in the mountains. We do yoga, healthy eating, meditation, journaling, and it's just a really good experience just to get away. Fun. So that was the last time we were together. Before that, we were in Miami. And in Miami, she made me get a piercing. That vlog.
I made you.
I'll show you guys that vlog. And they also made me go parasailing, and I'm scared of heights. Yeah. So before that was Miami. So let's see what we get into in this trip. We don't know yet. And so if you guys are interested in the Girlfriends Glow Up, I'll link it below. It's also on Instagram. Definitely a good trip. I suggest you guys check it out. We will be there again this year, October.
I'm just going to use one color. This color right here is going on the lid. That's it.
One color?
One color, and I'm using the good old fingers.
I use 3 colors. At least use 2.
No.
You know what? That's a look.
This is a look.
I am finally blending out my concealer, which I had on for the past 2 hours.
I'm looking at you like, what's going on here?
I don't know. I like to let it dry down. And then I blend and blend and blend and blend.
I like it. Ooh, that is pretty. What? She was over here doing
3
it
colors.
up. Wow.
Thank you very much. 3 color look. So how was your first night in Philly so far?
It was nice. Like, I'm digging Philly. It
Yeah.
reminds me of NY, I have to say.
Really?
Like the streets and stuff.
Because it's like dirty. Don't try to play NY. I'm from New York, by the way, in case you guys don't know. I'm a New Yorker. I live in New York, Queens, New York. So she's always trying to come from New York.
I mean, I just want them to clean the streets up.
We are rugged. We are ragged. We don't need to have clean streets. We have everything else we need. I'm not gonna lie to you. The streets are very dirty in New York.
Yeah.
It is. It is.
And then wonder why there's rats. Because you don't pick up your trash.
We have, but you know what? I'll take New York any day.
Oh, I love it. Especially my favorite borough.
Don't start with me with that, bro. Don't start with me with that nonsense. Don't even say it. Don't even say it. Harlem is not a borough. Yo, she's gonna have a petition going around to make Harlem the 6th borough.
Harlem is just gonna be the 5th. Just get rid of Staten Island. Why is Staten Island a freaking borough? Get rid of Staten Island and make Harlem.
You know what? Wu-Tang Clan's gonna come for you.
Oh, I did forget about them.
Wu-Tang Clan. They are Staten Island bred. All right, that's done. Highlight. See how this makeup is? I have to do everything, and then I spray my face, and I come back and I finish.
Wait, what?
Because I can't put on the mascara or the eyeliner, because I feel like when I do that and I spray my face, then it messes up the
So you're
mascara
one of
for
those
me.
people who drench your face.
You don't see?
Gotcha.
Oh, let's talk about Game of Thrones.
Less.
Less.
Yes, let's talk about Game of Thrones.
We're both Game of Thrones fan. She put me on, by the way. Favorite characters in Game of Thrones? For me, really?
Yeah.
It's tough for me, Tyrion.
Tyrion?
I love Tyrion
too.
I honestly do. Arya, of course.
Like, Jon was my favorite character for a really long time.
For a while.
For a long time.
I don't know.
I was also a big fan of Theon because it just seemed like Theon had a really rough story, first of all. He had a rough story. And some people didn't forgive him for what happened with at Winterfell with the Starks. Some people didn't forgive him for that, but I did, and I was rooting for Tyrion. I was rooting for Theon.
Reek.
I was rooting for him. I was sad when he died. That was probably one of the saddest moments of Game of Thrones to me. Yeah, when he died. Because it was like, okay. And he wanted to redeem himself so bad. Yeah.
I actually liked Cersei.
I think every female, and probably some males, but I think every female deep down is like, yes, Cersei. Like, assert your power. But Cersei was just a little over the top with her power.
Ooh, I need a fan.
And I actually like Jaime, but I also can't get past that they were sleeping together and they're brother and sister. They're twins. Like, that's nasty.
I'm using her bag to fan my face. It says random crap.
So it's really hard for me to like either.
I loved Cersei. Oh my gosh, I did. I think I loved her more because of how she, her evilness. Her evilness was so strategic and planned. It wasn't like rushed or just anger. She would sit and plan stuff. And when she would get somebody, it would be the most epic, like, yo, she planned that.
It would always be a surprise, like, what?
I think Cersei was my favorite. My least favorite, still to this day, is Bran. Bran just he did nothing. He had all this power, supposedly, and just...
First of all,
there's no way.
All the Starks are amazing, so I'm not gonna.
Nope.
No, Bran was
Bran was trash.
He did get on my nerves towards the end.
The whole time.
Right? But
what's the point? What did he do? Tell me.
I mean, he knew everything that was gonna happen.
But what did he do with that information?
I feel like he kind of was making sure it all played out how it was supposed to.
That's it? That's all he did? Okay. He could have used his power for much more than just sit in the wheelchair being pushed around, my opinion.
You know who my least favorite person on there, who I really grew to not even be able to stomach? You know who?
You leave Daenerys alone. She did have her ways, and she turned out to be, but it was more of anger. I understood.
No, I saw it coming like 3 seasons back. I was like, Daenerys, nope. This is gonna end bad for her. And I saw it coming 3 seasons back, but everybody was like, oh, Daenerys is the best. Yes, Queen Daenerys.
Nope.
Yes.
I loved her.
No.
Were you happy when she died?
I'm not gonna say I was happy, but I was, when the whole scene was playing out, I was like, John, you gotta do it. You gotta kill her. Like,
man, you was cold.
I did not like the last 3 episodes. I didn't like them at all. The last season is definitely my least favorite, and to me, it was like the worst season of Game of Thrones. I feel like we were almost like trolled for 8 seasons in like 10 years. Like,
the look is basically done. All I have to do is add my lip. But in the meantime, while I add my lip color, we do have a few questions on Instagram from Thick Madame 1980. Hey girl, how are you?
Hey.
The first question is, what are your green cleaning products favorites? So this is cleaning products on the green spectrum. What are your favorites?
Oh, cleaning products. Definitely Pure Home.
Pure Home.
I also like to use, one thing that I like to use from Pure Home, I like to use all of her products, but she has these wool dryer balls, and I put like drops of essential oil on there, and put them in the dryer with the clothes. The clothes always smell good when you do that.
Which essential oil did you put?
I like to use from Black and Green. She has a spearmint rosemary blend that I like to use. And I also have some of my own blends that I blend up.
Okay.
So cleaning product favorites. What else?
I don't really have that many.
Castile soap, yeah.
Dr. Bronner's Castile soap is like for everything. That's about it.
That's it. Oh, I like those sponges. They're like they're brown. They're eco-friendly sponges. I think you can find them at Target. So I like those. And bamboo sponges are good too.
Next question. What would be your go-to pamper you natural green products?
Oh, okay. Gotcha. You want to go first? Because I'm ready.
Because I don't do that much pamper. Like, to me, is it like face-wise and stuff?
No, it's not pampering. I got you.
Okay.
Shock therapy, bath bombs are the bomb. We will be selling them in the shop at Green Beauty for us soon. We do have some in stock, but I just haven't listed them yet. Sorry.
Okay.
But yes, those bath bombs are so good, so divine.
The bath salts, I've used it from Green Beauty for us. Okay.
Bath salts. I like to use crystals and stones to help.
Okay. Yes.
Soothe myself, pamper myself.
I like to light candles. I honestly love lighting candles, and even if I'm just taking a shower, I'm not a big bath person. I'll do it, but taking a shower, candles is just products that I use to pamper myself. I do like a good face mask. I will mention Pacifica. Pacifica has a great one that I like. The pineapple one is my favorite.
Okay.
Natural Annie Essentials, of course.
Yes,
I do
love
use
her mask. Really
the turmeric one is one of my favorites. And what else? Body wise pampering. I don't know.
I love a good session of acupuncture.
And yoga.
Oh yeah, of course, yoga. But acupuncture is really good for pampering yourself, for cleansing, detoxing yourself. If you haven't done acupuncture, you should definitely try it.
All right, next question. How do you both stay so calm and at peace? Because we're both very calm people. I'm very calm.
I'm very calm. I think maybe it just might be part of my nature, maybe. But of course, yoga, meditation helps.
For me, music helps with everything. Music keeps me calm. Also, reading and basically staying around positive people with positive vibes. Because if you're around toxic people, that is what basically will make you feel more toxic and it rub off on you. So because we're both so calm, our personalities just keep each other calm. And not only her, but other people around me as well. Because she lives in Virginia, I live in New York. So therefore, just the people I keep around me constantly. And well, she's there on the phone all the time, so we still on the phone together. But music is a big thing, and I just have to just know that nothing is worth it. Nothing is worth you getting over. Nothing is worth you stressing over. It might be bad right now, but the next 5 years, 5 minutes, 10, I don't know, it might change.
Yeah, nothing really lasts forever. And I'm always like, if I start getting anxious about something, I'll just be like, all you have to do is wait it out. Time doesn't stand still. Time is gonna keep moving. Just let it pass.
It will change.
Just let it pass. And my plants help too.
Ooh, plant life. Plant tour video coming soon, and her plant tour video, I'm sure, is up. Check out her channel. All your plant dreams will be fulfilled to her channel. And her Instagram. Last question. I'm truly struggling with which foundation to buy. I need cost effectiveness. Cost effectiveness in the green beauty space. Oh, I mean, if you really want cost effectiveness as your first thing, depending on your skin type, I would say the Pacifica. But depending on your skin type,
yeah, we probably need more information.
Yeah,
because for me, I like the Pacifica foundation, but it doesn't work for me because I have oily skin. Exactly. So no.
And for me, in the summertime, it wouldn't work because my skin will just be too much in the summertime. Wintertime, I can deal with it. So if that's your main thing, cost effectiveness.
But would that really be for cost effectiveness? Because most green beauty products have an expiration date. So buying a bottle because it's big is not always good.
But the price of the bottle also compared to...
Well, the price of the bottle and the size. But if you're not going to use all that product, then what's the point of buying the big bottle?
True. Like our favorite is Laws.
Yes.
And you need like
this little smidgen.
So it'll last a while.
Last. It may be, an initial, what is...
I think 25. or $20?
25 plus you got a coupon code.
Coupon
codes are usually listed in the video,
description bar. So you can save on that as well.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll talk more on Instagram to get you more because we're always talking.
Yeah.
Me and you think, madam. But that's all the questions for now. This is the looks.
This is not the whole look. Are you gonna come back and do the cutaway of like the outfit?
Yeah, I'll show you guys the outfit when we're all dressed and ready. So that's all for now, and stay tuned for the outfits.